megabit per second. 50% uptime, or should I say, downtime. And there is nothing anyone can do to stop me.
That's what you think, Lord Crap Modem.
Huh?
I'm here to put an end to bad Wi-Fi across the universe. The old way is over.
Oh yeah? You and which army?
Me and the Aruba Wi-Fi 6 army.
You look good, but Wi-Fi is not a beauty pageant. How exactly are you going to stop me?
Come on, team. Let's show him. Aruba 535, ready.
Aruba 515 ready.
Aruba 505 ready.
Aruba 555 ready.
Initiating Wi-Fi 6.
What? No.
Enabling deep packet inspection.
Oh no.
Utilizing OFDMA.
No.
Launching IoT protocols.
No.